In 1997, the smartest man on Earth lost to a box. Garry Kasparov, best chess player who ever lived, beaten by a machine that felt nothing. Everyone said chess was dead. So why are there more chess players today than ever before? Hold that question. It's about to save your future. Because you feel it too. AI writes code. It paints. It passed the bar exam, top 10%. Whatever skill you're grinding on right now, some model just did it faster, cheaper, and without coffee breaks. And a quiet voice in your head keeps whispering, why learn anything? People heard that exact voice before, in 1839. The camera showed up, and painters lost their minds. A famous one, Paul Delaroche, saw a single photo and declared painting dead. You know what actually died? Copying. Painting rich people's faces for money. Painters stopped copying the world and started bending it. We call that rebellion impressionism. The camera didn't kill the painter. It killed the copy machine he was pretending to be. And it keeps happening. Computer was a job title before it was a machine. Real people, rooms full of them, doing math by hand for NASA. Then the machine ate the arithmetic, but it couldn't decide what was worth computing. That part stayed human. Machines eat the middle of every job. The people aiming them get stronger. The people who stop aiming? In 2023, a lawyer named Stephen Schwartz filed a brief in federal court written by ChatGPT. It cited 6 cases. All 6 were fake. The machine invented the judges too. When the court asked what happened, he said he thought it was a search engine. 30 years of experience. Flawless work, Stephen. So, what do you learn now? 3 things. Taste, questions, judgment. Taste. Because when anyone can make anything in 10 seconds, the world drowns in okay. Knowing good from okay becomes the rarest skill on Earth. Questions, because the machine can answer everything and ask nothing. Whoever asks the sharpest question owns the room. And judgment. Learn how things work underneath, deep enough to smell it when the machine lies to you. Because it will lie to you, with total confidence, in a very nice font. Chess didn't die in 1997. Today's players are the strongest in history because they train with the thing that beat them. That's you now. You were never the tool. You're the one holding it. This machine can make anything, and it can't want anything. It has no taste, no questions, nothing it loves. Wanting is your job now, and it's the bigger job. The machine raised the floor for everyone. Ceilings are still handmade. Go build yours.